Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 mathematics subject. Okay, so our today's topic is surface area of cuboid and cube. So have you seen the cuboid or the cube? I hope all of you seen. Okay, so I hope all of you have seen. So suppose I have a box here. Okay, so what is it? It is a cube or cuboid. So let's take, this is your length. Okay, this is your length and this is your breadth. Okay, length, breadth, and this is your height. Okay, if length is not equal to breadth, is not equal to height, then it is your cuboid. This box is your cuboid. Okay, and if this length is equal to this breadth and its height, length is equal to breadth is equal to height, then the box will be your cube. Okay, if length, breadth and height are of different measurement, okay, then that is your cuboid, and if they are of same measurement, they are cube. Okay, so this is your cuboid. Okay, suppose this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. Okay, so this is your cuboid. So how many surface does this cuboid has? Okay, let us count. One, just this is a rectangular shape. Okay, this is your rectangular shape. The area of this rectangular surface is exactly equal to the area of opposite face, that is this face. Okay, it's this two area, this area and the rectangular surface just opposite to this both have same surface area. Similarly, this, okay, this another rectangular surface and the opposite to it another rectangular surface, they both rectangular surface area is same. So altogether it has 1 2 3 4 lateral surface area. Okay, and one is your top and another is your bottom. Okay, this is your top and this is your bottom, so altogether it has 6 surface area. Okay, so if we take it as length, okay, if we take this as length and this as breadth, so this is your, for this surface your area of this rectangular surface is your length into breadth. So if it is your length into breadth, this is this the surface opposite to it means this surface is also your length into breadth. Similarly, if this is your length and this is your height, okay, so length into height is the surface area for this surface. So exactly in the similar manner, okay, length into height is the surface area for this. Okay, similarly for your surface area, okay, altogether it has your 6 surface area. So let's, I'm also making the figure here for cuboid. Okay, let's see how I am making the figure. Okay, so this is your cuboid. So suppose this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. Okay, so it has altogether 6 surface area, and total surface area of cuboid is equal to, what is the formula we have? Okay, so for this surface area, this is your length and this is your breadth. Okay, this is your length and this is your breadth. For this surface area, your length into breadth, two length into breadth are there, because for this surface is your length into breadth and for this surface is also your length into breadth. So 2 LB. Similarly, this is your length and this is your height. Okay, or this is your length, this is your height, so plus 2 length into height. Okay, similarly this is your breadth and this is your height. Okay, this is your breadth and this is your height, so there are 2 So one surface area is your length into breadth. Why I have written here 2? Because there are two surfaces. Suppose this area is, suppose L1. Okay, this is area is L1. Its area is L. Its area is length into breadth. Okay, this area is exactly equal to the area of this. This is also your length into breadth. Okay, and this is your length. Okay, this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. So breadth into height is the area for this surface. So this and this two surfaces have same equal area. So 2b into h, 2, that is why we have used, because there are two surfaces whose area is L into B. There are two surfaces whose area is L into H, and there are two surfaces whose area is B into H. So if we arrange, if you take 2 common, LB plus LH plus BH. So if you arrange it, you will get 2LB plus BH plus HL. Just arrange it and it will be more easier to understand. Okay, and don't worry here. Okay, I have written 3 formula. Not, it is not like that. We have to just remember only one formula. That is your 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Just you remember the name like it, LBH. First pair is your LB, second is your BH, third is your HL, and 2 is written outside. Okay, you remember LBH and you can easily remember the formula for cuboid. Okay, similarly if it is your cube, for your cube, total surface area of cube. Okay, for cube here all the surface area are same. There are 6 surface in a cube also, but in a cube length is equal to breadth. Suppose this is your figure for cube. Suppose this is your cube. Okay, in a cube length is equal to breadth is equal to height, means this length, breadth and height all are equal. So this is also your L, this is also your L. So total surface area of cube is your, there are 6 surface area whose areas are equal, that is why 6L square. Area of one surface is your L square. So altogether there are 6 surface area, so its area is your 6L square. So for this chapter you have to remember the two formula. Total surface area of cuboid is your 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL, and for cube your total surface area is 6L square. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand. Okay, please you see the box for example, you can easily understand the formula also. So now let's do some of the question based on this exercise. So our question number 1 is, the total surface area of a cube is 1350 cm square. Find the length of its edge. Okay, so total surface area of cube is given to us 1350 square centimeter. We need to find the length of its edge. Okay, so solution, what is given to us? Total, T means total, S means surface, A means area. Okay, so total surface area of cube, what is given to us? 1350 cm square. So we have the formula for total surface area, that is your 6L square is equal to 1350. Unit I have left, at last we will write the unit. So 6 transfer to right hand side, L square is equal to 1350 divided by 6. So how much we got? L square is equal to, we got, let's divide 225. Okay, we got, if you divide 1350 by 6 you will get 225. So square transfer to right hand side, it will be your square root 225, and therefore the length is your 15 centimeter. Okay, so The length of its edge is your 15 centimeter. It's very easy. Total surface area is given to us 1350. Okay. Put the formula for total surface area, that is a 6L square. Solve it. Okay. Transfer this 6 to right hand side. It will divide. We'll get 225 square. Transfer to right hand side. It will be square root. Okay. Find the square root. You will get the answer. That is your length is your 15 centimeter. Okay. So now similar manner, let's do another question. Our next question is the total surface area of a cuboid is 280 cm square centimeter. Breadth is given, breadth 5 centimeter, and height is given as 6 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find its length. So here also what is given to us? Total surface area of cuboid is given to us, that is a 280 cm square. Okay, so now let's write the formula for total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 280. Okay, now let's put the values. Okay, these two transfer to right hand side and put the value. For this L, your value we don't know L. B we know the value. Breadth is your 5, so L into 5 plus B we know. Breadth is your 5, height is your 6. For this I have put the value, plus height is your 6 and length we don't know, is equal to 280 divided by 2. This 2 I have transferred to right hand side. Okay, and I have put the values. Okay, see there, I have put the values here and 2 transferred to right hand side. So now here 5L plus 5 6 are 30 plus 6L is equal to, here let's divide 140. Okay, so now 5L plus 6L is 11L. 30 transfer to right hand side, 140 minus 30. Okay, so 11L is equal to how much here? 110. So length is equal to 110 divided by 11, that is your 10. Okay, so length is your 10 centimeter. Once again, please listen here very carefully. Total surface area of cuboid is given to you. Okay, to us 280 square centimeter. Breadth is given 5 centimeter and height is given 6 centimeter. So we need to find the length of the cuboid. So we have the formula for total surface area, that is a 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 280. Now you have to transfer this 2 to right hand side, is multiplying here, it will go and divide there. And in the same way you put the values also. For length we don't know value. Breadth is your 5, so I have kept here 5. Breadth 5, height 6, length we don't know. Okay, so 5 6 are 30 I have written here. 5 into L, 6 into L. Okay, is equal to, here divide 140 we got. Transfer this 30 to right hand side. Add this 5L and 6L, that is a 11L. After that 11L is equal to 110. Transfer 11 to right hand side, it will divide and you will get the value of length. Okay, it's very easy. So your exercise 7.2. Okay, all the questions are similar to it. Please do all the questions, and your 7.2 is complete now. Your homework is to practice. Please practice exercise 7.2. Okay, exercise 7.2 you can easily do. Okay, there are very easy questions you can easily do. So thank you for today. Okay, so stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.